Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing flexi rod sets on my natural hair. I stretched my hair a little, not too much. I just did some plaits to make my hair stretch. Usually other naturals would use a blow dryer to stretch their hair, but I just did like 8 plaits. So now I'm gonna be starting in the back, and I'm gonna be using the blue and pink flexi rods. Also for my mousse, I'm going to be using the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse by Aunt Jackie's. So as you can see, I'm doing this on dry 70% stretched hair, and I'm only using this mousse. So this clip is in real time, and as you can see, I'm starting at the ends, making sure the ends are secured under the hair, rolling the rod all the way up. The back of my hair is a little short, so I have to tuck that in, and then I'm just gonna keep rolling the rod until I reach the root. Make sure you roll until you get to the root, and then you're gonna secure the ends by bending the flexi rod and secure the root by bending the top of the flexi rod. For some people, it might be a little hard to get the ends to stay laid on the rod, so what you'll do is add a little bit more mousse on the ends to make sure it's secured. So for each section, I'm just gonna keep going and doing the same technique. As you can see, I bend the flexi rod all the way in a circle just to get it out of my face. Two hours later, and I'm done with that process. It's nighttime. It was like around 11 p.m. so I'm just gonna take a scarf, tie my hair, and let it dry while I go to sleep. Okay, so it's 22 hours later. I am taking out those rods to see those curls. Oh yes, girl, curls are popping, ain't no stopping. So I'm just gonna be taking out these flexi rods as neatly as possible just to avoid frizz. Now I'm gonna be using this Hydration Intense Oil by Aussie Miracle Moist just to put on the tip of my fingers while separating these curls. By the way, you can use any oil. It doesn't matter what oil. You just need oil on the tip of your fingers just to avoid frizz while separating the curls. How did we get to here? So I just woke up. Alright, let me give you a quick rundown. Did this Flexi rod set day before yesterday. So I kept them in for 24 hours, which I took them out last night. 24 hours. Went to the store with my Flexi rods, embarrassed myself, and all of that, walking around with Flexi rod set, which I never do because I wanted it to dry and be perfect. So I did all that embarrassing stuff for nothing. Like I said, kept them in for 24 hours, took them out last night, and decided that I'm gonna pull it apart when I wake up this morning and style it. But when I woke up, I saw this. And I was like trying to do something, but I think I made it worse. Listen, I used to be the Flexi rod queen. Like, my Flexi rod sets used to be on point, but that was when I was relaxed. This is my first time doing a Flexi rod set on natural hair, so okay, what to do now? Should I just do a hard puff? What to do? This is it. Like, sometimes I have to take bad things my joke. Cause what is? I look like a mad woman. Let's figure something out. Alright, okay, cool. So as you can see, we made it into a high puff. This is gonna work for now. Don't worry guys, we'll be trying this again. We will be trying this Flexi rod set another time because we're gonna keep trying until we get it. I'm gonna leave the curls like this. I'm not gonna pull them apart anymore because eventually it's gonna get bigger and bigger once I step outside. Yeah, this is what we have. What I ordered versus what I got, and this is what I got. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like, share, make that thumbs up blue. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.